All right, independent events. This is dealing with probability in geometry and other stuff like that. So we'll go through these questions. I will have you do these questions on your own. This just talks about life expectancy, the number of years somebody would live, and it kind of breaks it down for you just a little bit and gives you a few different like things in columns. So we'll do this. Let's go back to independent events. So how are events independent of one another? Like what's going on to change it? So for this analysis, it says you'll need to use the life table data and look up the relationships between age, probability of dying between the ages of blank and blank, or x and x plus 1, qx, number of people born 1,000, 100,000 to survive. So it's just seeing like, are these events independent of each other? What is going on and why? So these questions pertain to that life table chart. So let's examine the life table chart actually like this. So this right here will give you data. It gives you data on life expectancy of different like male and female. And it breaks it down more and you get some more details about it. Life expectancy in the United States and how it is slowly rising over the years and how we are living just a little bit longer than we were before. Pretty interesting data. It gives you about 61 pages to go through here and it just shows life expectancy. I'll go all the way down and it breaks it down like very thorough for you. Okay. Here it just talks about independent events. So events are independent of one another. That means that they occur on their own and they don't need each other to go back and forth. Events that are dependent of each other are like they depend on each other. They need each other to occur. So like two things need to happen in order for a certain event to occur. And then this just gives you a couple examples of independent and dependent events. And here is the summary, just showing you here's our equations. And that is about it for this one. It's a pretty short tutorial and lesson. There's not too much to talk about. I will go dive into it a little deeper with a mini lesson though.